Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you contact Remitly. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to contact Remitly customer service, you just simply have to open your Remitly application, and after that you will get to see a bunch of options. You just simply have to select this manage option at the bottom right corner. And after going into this section, you just simply have to select this Help Center option. Tap to Help Center, and after tapping in Help Center, you can see a lot of facts and questions into here. If you can't find your problems into this section, tap to this phone option right here, and after that you can just simply call it into this number and you can contact Remitly very easily. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.